It's beautiful. I think we don't get enough time to engage as industry, to learn from each other. So sessions like this, they're brilliant because then you get everyone around the same room. And I must say, I've discussed interesting topics with quite a variety of people. And I think I love the quality of the presentations that was taking place. Yeah, I think, as I mentioned in the presentation earlier, the world is getting tough. It's tough to get into business, and every bit of competitive edge goes a long way. And I do believe that digital is going to be, whoever is in the digital first is going to have a competitive advantage. So, yes, we all need to comply, otherwise we're going to be left behind. I think for me is, we do not need to be scared off by AI. We need to embrace it, and we need to educate our people about it. And I think, as one speaker said, our people are already using it without us knowing. So we just need to find a way to use the AI in order to advance our businesses.